Teacher Mathematics. In this video, we are to find m plus n over m minus n plus m minus n over m plus n, given this expression. So let's see how we are going to do this. Now, from algebraic identity, a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. In the same way, m plus n over m minus n plus m minus n over m plus n all squared will be the same as m plus n over m minus n all squared plus m minus n over m plus n all squared plus 2 times m plus n over m minus n times m minus n over m plus n. So this is equal to m plus n over n minus n all squared plus m minus n over m plus n all squared plus, now this, the reciprocal of this is that, so it will cancel out, remaining 2. Now from the question, you were given m plus n over that all squared, so this is 47 plus 2, so you have 49. So we have m plus n over m minus n plus m minus n over m plus n all squared is equal to 49. So if you want this one, we take the square root on both sides. So therefore m plus n over m minus n plus m minus n over m plus n will be equal to square root of 49. And this is, that will be plus or minus, so this will be plus or minus 7. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload the video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.